Welcome to 1822 Holbrook Court, a beautifully updated and well-maintained 4-bedroom home with 4 washrooms nestled on a pie-shaped lot within Pickering's prestigious Dunbarton neighbourhood. Landscaped with stone walkways to the covered front entrance and to the backyard, surrounding the glass-panelled entry door are sidelights and a transom. The door opening into a naturally bright main level that has a wonderful open theme layout and an ease of flow that is a delight for entertaining, and principal rooms that exude modern elegance. Dark hardwood flooring flows from the reception hall and into the living and dining rooms. The living room graced with accent columns, having the coziness of a gas fireplace with a tiled facade and a display niche above it, as well as being brightened with pot lighting and the light that streams through the 2 west-facing windows. Light through the dining room's north-facing windows, plus a contemporary light fixture, give this space a warm and intimate atmosphere. The dining room shares the coziness of the gas fireplace, which is double-sided, and has a wall nook for a china cabinet, which also has potential for conversion into a permanent storage and display unit. The entry into the breakfast area is also graced with an accent column. This space and the kitchen brightened with modern light fixtures and pot lighting, and finished with upgraded polished floor tiles. Recently renovated, the bright, modern design of the kitchen showcases cabinetry with extended height uppers, crown moldings, valance lighting, and upgraded hardware, a corner walk-in pantry with a French door, stainless steel appliances including a French door fridge, oven with smooth surface cooktop, and a dishwasher, glass-tiled backsplashes and quartz counters, as well as a peninsula with a waterfall edge, a stainless steel undermount sink, and seating. The sliding door walkout, like all the principal room windows, has a transom and opens to a premium-sized and fully fenced backyard that showcases a large concrete patio with stone inlays, a gazebo with a ceiling fan, stone garden beds filled with perennial plantings, as well as a separate circular stone patio in the northwest corner of the yard. Upgraded polished floor tiles are also seen in the foyer and in a side hallway across from the living room, off of which is a powder room, its contemporary vanity having a countertop basin. Adjacent to the powder room is a sunken laundry room featuring ceramic flooring, a front-load washer and dryer, cabinetry storage, and access to the attached double-car garage. The staircases to both the upper and lower levels have classic dark stain railings with white spindles, as well as corner windows at their mid-landings, and the foyer also features a mirrored door coat closet and is open to the above level. The dark stain treads and white risers of the upper staircase complement the railing, and its 2 staircase windows, plus the second-story window above the foyer, all have peaked Gothic-style transoms, and suspended from the vaulted cathedral ceiling of the foyer is an elegant light fixture. Recently updated with new broadloom throughout the hallway, all 4 bedrooms on this level have also been updated with high-quality laminate flooring, and both washrooms showcase beautiful upgrades as well. The 3rd bedroom has a walk-in closet, the 2nd and 4th bedrooms have double closets, and all 3 have ceiling fans as well as large windows for natural brightness. The windows in the 4th bedroom having peaked Gothic-style transoms, this room also showcasing a high ceiling. The main 4-piece washroom showcases beautiful upgrades, which include the tiles finishing the floor and the shower walls of its bath area, and the quartz counter, undermount basins, and lighting of its modern vanity. this washroom also having the convenience of a linen closet right outside its door. Through a double door entry is the graciously sized master suite. This light-washed personal retreat showcasing a vaulted ceiling above its two north-facing arched windows, space for a sitting area, an accent wall, and a walk-in closet, as well as a stunning ensuite washroom that evokes modern elegance with its deeply hued wall color, light-colored finishes, and exquisite light fixtures. The glass shower has upgraded wall and floor tiles, mosaic accents, and rainfall and handheld shower heads. Upgraded tiles surround a corner tub with two privacy windows above it, and the vanity has been updated with a quartz counter, a vessel basin, a glass and stone tiled backsplash, and upgraded door and drawer hardware. The stairs to the fully finished lower level was also recently updated with new broad loom. This level featuring laminate flooring throughout much of its space, and off the staircase's lower landing is a good-sized storage room that includes an upright freezer. The recreation area is quite large, has an oversized above-grade window, and is brightened with pot lighting. This room having ample space for media, play, and games areas. This level also features a two-piece washroom, workshop space in the furnace room, and a bonus room with a pocket French door entry that is ideal as a home office or hobby room. A short walk to Bonita Park and the Dunbarton Creek Ravine, minutes from the Amberley Shopping Centre, and a wide variety of shops and services along Kingston Road and within the catchment area of highly rated public and Catholic schools, including nearby William Dunbar Public School. This home is also just a short drive to the Pickering Town Centre Mall, the GO station, and has easy access to Highway 401. As well as being close to the shopping, entertainment, and waterfront enjoyment of Pickering's beautiful Frenchman's Bay community along Lake Ontario. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.